From idea to publish a book in just 10 minutes. The biggest problem with Amazon KDP is formatting, design, and illustration errors. Today I'll show you how to fix all of that step by step using KidsKDP AI. Hi guys, welcome back to Stacks Review. If you are searching for an honest KidsKDP AI review, you need to see the result first. Right now, you probably want to publish book on Amazon KDP. But here's the real problem. Good illustrations cost a lot of money, and doing it yourself it also takes too much time. And after that, it still looks average. So you feel stuck. Today we solve this problem. Now before I show you how Kids KDP AI works, I want to show you how you actually make money with this tool. I created the KDP bestseller accelerator bundle. It helps you find low competition niches that actually sell. I'll show you the full bundle and bonuses overview at the end. But first, let's see the software in action. In this video, I will show you exactly how Kids KDP AI works, step by step. You will see how easy it is to create a professional children's book using this AI tool. First, you start by logging into dashboard. As you can see on the screen, the interface is very clean and shows you all the different types of book you can create, like story books, puzzle books, and coloring books. To start, you click on story books and select create book. Now you simply enter a title for your story. In this demo, we are using Benny the Brave Little Bunny. Next, you choose the number of pages you want. After that, you provide a short description of what the story is about. You can also upload your own cover image or provide a link to one. Now look at the advanced AI modes. This is where you select the theme like adventure and enter your character's name. You can also choose the target age group, the emotions or tone of the story, the setting and even the lighting style. Once you are happy with your setting, you click generate storybook. The AI goes to work and in just a few moments you are taken to the book editor. Here you can see all your pages laid out. You can easily add new pages or edit existing ones. If you want to change a picture, you can use the update image button. You can also edit the text directly to make sure the story sounds exactly how you want it. If you need to remove a page, it only takes one click. Before you finish, you can use the preview mode. This lets you flip through the page like a real book to see exactly how it works to your readers. This is the final result. You can download the entire book as a high quality PDF that is ready to be uploaded to the platform like Amazon KDP. The images are colorful and the layout looks professional. This demo showed that how you can easily go from a simple idea to finished kids book in a few minutes. This looks very useful anyone who want to start up publishing businesses without needing to be a writer or an artist. If you want to check out Kids KDP AI for yourself, the link in the description below along with all my custom bonuses. But wait here, I promised honest review. Here is the truth. Kids KDP AI is powerful, but it does not tell you what to create. If you choose a bad niche, you will get no sales. Even with a perfect book, this is why most beginner fails. The tool works, but strategy is missing. Now let me be honest with you. This is not a magic button. It is a professional tool. Who this is for? Beginners, authors, side hustlers who want to start without spending thousands. Who should skip this? People who want fast money without effort. If you are serious about making money to publish on KDP, click the link in the description and pin comment. Today you will get launch discount and my full bonus bundle. Don't just buy the tool. Get the system that makes you money.